In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide how to upload images to Lovable AI. Whether you're sharing design references, bug screenshots, or product photos, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it step by step. First, open your browser and go to lovable.dev. Wait for the workspace to load. If you see the main chat or project view, you're in the right place. Keep your image file handy on your computer so you can select it when prompted. Next, look for the plus icon. Depending on your layout, you'll typically find it near the message composer or along the toolbar. This button is your entry point to adding content. Click the plus and choose Attach. This opens the attachment options so Lovable knows you want to bring in a file rather than just text. From there, choose File. Your system's file picker will pop up. Navigate to the folder where your image lives, select the file you want, and confirm. Common formats like PNG and JPEG work well, and keeping file names clear can help you stay organized. Once selected, click into the chat area. This focuses the message box so your attachment is ready to pair with any notes or context you want to add. If you prefer working fast, you can also take a screenshot and press Ctrl+V to paste it directly into the chat area. This is great for quick bug reports or visual feedback. Give it a second for the thumbnail or attachment chip to appear. That indicates the image has been captured successfully. Before you proceed, double check that the preview looks right and that you picked the correct file. If something seems off, repeat the same attach flow and choose the right image. If your file is very large, consider compressing it first to speed up the upload and avoid timeouts. Consistent naming, like including a date or brief description in the file name, makes it easier to find later. And if your workspace uses multiple threads, make sure you're in the conversation where the image belongs to keep your history tidy. And that's the full process for adding images to Lovable, either by attaching a file or pasting a screenshot straight into the chat area. If your network is slow, give uploads a moment to finish and watch for a small progress or checkmark indicator. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.